said he was coming into this fight in excellent condition.
All his fighters are actually the Ala Jim.
Oh,
That's it.
down!
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. April 9, 2011, napalaban ang dating prospect ng Philippine boxing na si Jason El Nino Pagara sa isa sa mga kilabot na boxer ng bansang Tanzania na si Dioter Hammer Njiko. Champion itong kalaban sa kanilang bansa habang si Jason Pagara ay dating WBO Asia Pacific Youth Lightweight Champion din siya. Ang laban nila ay para sa bakanting WBO Asia Pacific Youth Super Lightweight title. Bit-bit ng Pinoy dito ang impresibong kartada na 25 wins, only 1 defeat, 14 dito via knockout, habang itong taga Tanzania ay may record na 11 wins, 4 losses, 9 KO. Sa preskon pa lang ay makikitang gigil na itong dayo na pabagsakin itong ating pambato. Sinabi pa niya na knockout ang hanap niya. Kahit malayo ang binyahe nila ay andon pa rin ang gigil at kumpiyansa niyang manalo sa bakbakan nila. Sa mismong gabi ng laban na ginanap sa Bacolod, Negros Occidental na pinuno ng mga taga-suporta ni Jason Pagara ang arena, ay sobrang malupit ang laban nila. Unang round makikitang magalaw itong kalabang dayo, nagbabato ng mga malalakas na kamao, kaso hindi masyadong tumatama ito. Habang si Pagara ay tila naghihintay lang ng tamang tiyempo para makatama ng solido sa ulo nitong dayo.
Pacific Junior Welterweight Championship.
Pagara. He picks his punches nicely. Magaling itong bata.
Lumaki na sa boxing to si Pagara, no? I remember we first covered him when he was 16 years old. He's from Cagayan de Oro.
Good
But
luck.
picked up his boxing sa Ala Gym sa Cebu. Look at his size. I mean, he's so much bigger
Ninjuku
than
is-
this guy.
See, Ninjuku is obviously going to try to throw a big punch and hope for the best.
Magalaw siya. He's bobbing his head, moving it left and right.
He's trying to keep Pagara guessing as to which way he's going.
At matapos lang ang isang minuto sa unang round ay nasapol sa solidong 1-2 na kombinasyon itong kalaban at bagsak ito.
Coaches of the Ala Gym, si Pio there in the corner, is making sure his fighter is fit, and he said he was coming into this fight in excellent condition.
All his fighters are actually the Ala Jim. That's it.
Round
Cracking
one.
right.
Pero bumangon at tinuloy pa ang bakbakan.
2.
I did hear you say that, Ronnie.
Okay, watch
Still
Pagara.
a minute left dito sa round
Good lefts
one.
again.
Philippines versus Tanzania. One knockdown scored by Pagara, looking really confident here.
He's got the Nigerian, or rather the Tanzanian with the right. Now he's trying to work with the left.
I'd like to thank the Eastview Hotel and the Bluegrass Cafe for our accommodations dito sa
Oh.
Bacolod.
Beautiful hotel, huh? Really beautiful hotel.
Nice, clean rooms and pretty stylish. There goes Pagara.
Another good right hand,
Oh, man.
side of the head.
Ilang segundo, huli na naman ito sa solidong kaliwa at bagsak na naman ito sa lona.
Him. Looks like a big tree.
Oh! Another cracking left.
Another left. Oh, first fight of the African outside Africa, Ronnie.
And he's
Suffered
going.
2 knockdowns.
Tumayo pa rin at maswerteng natapos ang unang round.
Tanzania na si Njiku. That's the end of the first round.
See the slow-mo replay of that knockdown.
Let's watch the first knockdown here.
No, that was the
Well, that
second
was
with
the
the
second
left.
actually, yeah.
The left, stinging
Kaya
left.
pala parang naglilimp si Njiku kasi medyo natapilok siya on his way down.
That was a great left hand by Jason.
Second round tuloy ang salpukan. Makikitang gusto talagang makabawi nitong kalaban. Nagpapakita ng pagka-agresibo pero di talaga makatama ng solido.
This is Pinoy Pride 5 mula sa Bacolod City. Dayan Castillejo kasama si Ronnie Nathaniels. So Ronnie, so far we're 2 out of 2. Diba?
We're going to be 4 out of 4.
Oh, nice.
Left by
Yeah.
Pagara, but Njuku also
Yeah, you
got
also
in
got one in.
He did get a shot in Njuku. You know, you cannot take these African fighters for granted. You know, they're strong. They're strong. He's stockily built, as you can see.
Yeah. He just really has a size disadvantage.
Oh,
Na
yeah.
Mas malaki talaga si Pagara. Naman, good fight.
Si Pagara naman, he's a good thinking fighter. He won't rush into anything.
No, it looks like he's taking his time. Wow. Oh, and Jico's a little bit more aggressive dito sa round 2 counter punching, trying to get in. That's how a smaller fighter has to got Tony Nietes.
Another good right hand by Pagara.
Pero sa huling minuto, huli na naman sa kaliwa itong dayong Tanzanian. Kaya tumba na naman.
Oh, solid shot there from
Njoku.
Jico.
Njoku got in a good punch, good right hand. And he's talking Pagara.
Oh, no.
Left hook, and he goes down.
That was a painful knockdown. Oh, Rock. Shaking his head.
Di na ito tumayo pa sa bilang ng referee. Tila tanggap na ang pagkatalo na di na niya kayang in-knockout itong si El Nino. Panalo si Jason El Nino Pagara via second round KO at nakuha ang bakanting titulo na WBO. Kung gaano kahaba ang binyahe nitong taga Tanzania ay kabaliktaran ang nangyari sa laban nila ni Jason Pagara. 2 round na suntukan lang tapos agad ang banggaan nila.
Jason Pagara. He picks up win number 26. Only 1 loss. And Jico looks very disappointed. Okay, eto na. They're gonna award the youth trophy to Jason Pagara. Masaya.
Yeah.
He's really getting into his
There's a
getting
good
into
right
his
hand
fight.
by Njoku. And then Jason clipped him with a left hook and he was gone.
We'll see that again. Chin is wide open.
Perfect.
Perfectly timed.
Perfectly timed punch.
Perfect spot. Bumagsak si Jico at umiling na lang.
Jason Pagara! To award the trophy is our mayor, the Honorable Mayor Evilio Bing Lunardia.
Okay, a big win by Jason Pagara.
Jason Pagara!
Shout out kay Gabas Family Vlogs, Top Listed TV, Greg Santos, Sticker Boy Vlog, Jefferson, Mark Angelo Pamesa, Arsinia Sorel, Crusader Migs, John Chris Reyes, Dan Carlos San Agustin. Bisitahin nyo rin ang YouTube channel ng mga kaibigan ko mga pre na sina Philippine Sport History, Boy Astig PH, Usapang Sports, at John Boxing TV. Gumagawa din sila ng mga video na siguradong magugustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.